Right. Hi, everybody. I'm so glad that you came here to WizIQ. Um, yeah, today I'm gonna talk about WizIQ. Like, what is it really? Um, WizIQ is a tool, an online tool that used as an educational platform to access teaching and training modules through smartphones and laptops. So basically, that means you will be able to operate with IQ even from your smartphone if you don't have a laptop. Um, WizIQ was established in 2007 by a guy called Herman Singh, and who can use WizIQ? Basically, teachers, professors, entrepreneurs, and pretty much everyone so that want to use WizIQ and find it useful. And what can you do with WizIQ? You can teach online, learn live online, or do training online. So this is really a good WizIQ is a good online tool if you get to know how to utilize it. I do recommend people to explore it. And I'm still learning about it. I think with time I'll get the hang of it, and I think I might like it. Thanks, guys, for listening, and hope to see you next time for the next video. Bye.